Okay, my stream crashed there for a minute. So let me try it again. Hopefully it won't crash on the run. If it does crash, then we have a big problem. Okay. Okay, seems to be working. So, what happened? Connecting the game. Okay, attempt to connect non-existent signal. Oh yeah, that's the problem which I actually created, and that's the problem of here. So what happened actually is that I connected to a game in the ready action. So it was trying to initialize game manager, it was trying to initialize network manager, and I'm thinking that I will actually... Oh no, I don't need it. Or do I? Not here. I'm just trying to swap it out. I'm not sure if the order of those managers matter. We will see. But in this case, what happened was the that I connected. I was trying to connect the game in the ready, and maybe that's not a problem actually. I'm just thinking that it shouldn't happen because we are anyway creating a new thread for that. But anyways, I will need to do this. I will need to have it as a deferred method. So everything we had here for a connection, we will have in a separate method, a separate function, and we will call deferred name of connect. Okay, so let's try it now. Let me check. In object of type special, attempt to connect non-existent signal game connected to method initialize game. Yes. So game connected is obviously non-existent signal. And I think I know why. Because the signals class, it's not in our project, is it? I think they will need to be in a tree. I believe. So we can check. Where is it? Model signals. With S. Okay. Let me save it and let's try it again. Okay. Cool. Unknown time of signal parameter K data. Okay, so what's happening right now is that probably we probably cannot have. Okay, this is not okay. But those other stuff. No, okay, players is also not okay. Oh man. So we won't be able to use the signals here, which is unfortunate. I think the problem is that you can only use the primitive types here. You cannot use like custom classes in there and stuff like that. But we still have the same problem in game connected. No, it is not. Yeah, so this is still the problem. Connecting to game. And that's not working actually. Okay. Mean. How to proceed here? Let me check. Okay, so I will try to comment on everything I don't really need. Wait, why is this not used here? Oh, it's integer. And the other one is slunk. Okay. So... and we have a connection timeout because it wasn't able to connect to the server, which I hope it's running actually. I'm not sure. Okay, but anyways, I need to figure out this signal stuff and how to do it correctly. So what I have learned is that you cannot really use, well, probably you cannot use the, you cannot use custom types in there. Signals, handling a signal. Okay, let's go back here. I'm wondering if this signal is mentioned, or the parameters, if they are mentioned, that they have to be just the primitive ones. It's handling signals. Signals are emitted when some specific kind of action happens. They can be connected to any function of script in this instance. Signals are used mostly in GUI nodes. Okay, all the other nodes can have them too. And you can have even define custom signals in the home script. Yeah, I can define it, but I cannot use it. Well, to its full potential. In this step, we'll connect press signal to custom function. Okay. Sure. And I'm actually looking for custom signals here. The section of custom signals was... did I miss it? What? I know that it's definitely here because I seen it the other day. Yep. Okay. Whoop. Where are we? Custom signals. Once declared, your custom signal will appear in the inspector and can be connected in the same way as nodes built-in signals. To emit a signal via code, use emit signal function. A signal can also optionally declare one or more arguments. Yes, but it cannot actually deal with... I give a job in an editor notebook, use them to generate callback function for you, or you can still emit any number of arguments. So it's up to you to emit the correct values. Okay. C#. Okay. Okay. Once again. Unknown type of signal parameter card data. That means we cannot use custom classes for signals. Same for game players. Okay. Okay. Sorry guys, we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, as I was saying, we have a problem of getting the signals working at the moment. Because it seems that Godot doesn't really support custom types in the signals, which is a pity, because I was trying to do. I'm multi-threading in my head. I'm trying to figure out if I can use maybe object instead and cast it. Will that work? I wonder. But anyways, we still have a that when we are trying to connect indigenous spatial attempted connected to a non-existent signal game connected. Yeah, I know why. I think I know why. Do I really? I'm trying to figure out that yeah, I actually don't have an idea. Maybe I do have an idea, but let me go through it again. So let's try it again, and let's go to not game connected but deal card. So attempt to connect a non-existent signal deal card to method spatial deal card. Oh, okay, non-existent signal deal card. So it seems that it doesn't know the signal deal card. Let me move it to here, if it's better. And in the network manager, node manager. Let's try this. Okay, in object, attempt to connect another deal card. So the same one. That's funny. Yeah, we need to figure out what's causing it. So, good at... So I created a signal manager class which contains all my signals. Yeah, so that's basically what I was trying to do. I configured my Godot project to auto-load the script as a singleton. Okay. Whenever the player moves, I call signal manager emit signal. Okay. So why on this class? It doesn't really matter, right? In other classes that I care, I call signal manager connect. Okay. Oh, I see. So basically you are not connecting to the network manager, but you're doing everything on the signal manager. Okay, that's kind of clever, and I like it. But what's causing it actually? I'm wondering. You need to fetch the player instance first and connect its signal into warp at boundaries instance. So player connect, player moved, self on player moved. Okay, not really sure what's this. Or in a singleton like characters, you will have player new and then you start blah blah. So it's the similar approach than the one above. I like this one actually. So let's try it. Let's try it and let's actually do this signal as a manager. Yeah, I like it. So signal manager. But it actually doesn't really fix my problem of of not being able to deal with discard data. But anyway, I will need those signals anyway, so that's okay. At least for this game connected. Right? Wrong. Initialize game. Okay. Am I doing this correctly actually? Should this be part of the signal? Yeah, it should be that part of the signal. Definitely. Right? Let's check again here. So, yep, value, audio value. So, yeah, what I wanted to try is to use object here. So that's one thing. And no. Run manager, and let's copy this back. Just for now. Leave it like it is. We will rename this to signal manager.